Hey Caitlin, my name is McKinley. Callie wanted me to send over this short video showing you how you can outrank your competition online and get more leads and more customers. So starting out, it's great that you have your phone number right here, easily accessible. People don't want to hunt down how to get in contact with you, so that's great. But scrolling down, I can see you don't have a whole lot of content. You have about 400 words on your homepage, and Google typically likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words. They actually read all the words on your site, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to and therefore what to rank you for. You can get your keywords in there as well, and keywords are just the phrases that people are typing into the Google search bar most frequently. So I wanted to show you this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack or GMB, and it's the first thing anyone sees when they search for something online. Almost no one ever clicks on View All right here, so it's super important to be in this top 3. And you can do that by having more good reviews than any of your competition and by having more citations than them as well. A citation is anytime your business's name, address, and phone number are listed on the web. So I plugged your site into a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a better idea of the back end of your site. You can see right here you have 6 pages referring back to you and 17 backlinks overall. A backlink is anytime there's a link on another site and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. You want to have as many as possible. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and it's really important to have high quality links that are viewed as trusted by Google so that they'll view you as trustworthy. And if you're considered relevant to what you do through your content and your keywords, and then considered trustworthy in addition to that, Google is going to think that you bring value to the people that are looking for what you do. And if they think you're valuable, they're going to want to put you in front of as many people as possible. And that's the goal. So you can see right here, you're getting about 15 clicks of traffic to your site every single month, and you're in the top 100 pages of Google for 36 keywords. So if we take a better look at those and organize them by your position on the page, you are in the first page for this keyword that gets 250 searches a month, and in the first couple pages for these ones. You are getting some traffic from ranking for these words, but we'd want to focus on getting you to the first position for as many high volume keywords as possible because almost all the time, if you're in the first position, you're getting 1/3 of the total volume as traffic to your site. Let me show you what that would look like. So you can see right here, you're ranking for some palmetto keywords, and your site says palmetto as well, but at the bottom of your page, it says Columbia is your location. So I actually picked a competitor from the Columbia area. It doesn't really affect ranking though, and we can rank you regardless of what area you're trying to service. But he is ranking for most of the keywords in that area, but he's not number 1 actually, so he's more of an unorthodox example than I normally have to work with. But he's behind Yelp for everything and above everyone else. So for our purposes, it'll definitely work. Scrolling down, you can see he has a lot of content. Actually, he's about 1,700 words. So we'd want to put 2,000 words of quality content with keywords on your homepage to essentially blow him out of the water in that sense. But I plugged him into the same tool as well. You can see he has 56 pages referring back to him and 276 backlinks overall. So to go after him or any other competitor for any area, we'd want to take his backlinks, find the high quality ones, and then replicate those for you in addition to finding even more high quality links that he doesn't have. You can see he's in the top 100 pages for 92 keywords. If we organize that by position on the page, you're going to see he's in the second position for a lot of them, like I mentioned, and in the third position for some as well. He's ranked right behind Yelp, but that is good news. And I just wanted to show you that even just being in the second and third position for all those keywords is bringing him 117 clicks of traffic to his site every single month. So if we were to take his current spot and bump him down a little bit, that would bring you 7 times the traffic you're getting right now, and logically 7 times the amount of customers. But if we could optimize your site enough to outrank him, that means that only Yelp is above you. And the best news, the best part of this is that Google prioritizes local businesses above anything else. So if we could get to the point where we could outrank him, outranking Yelp would be almost effortless. And to be in that first position, getting 1/3 of the total volume as traffic, be getting exponentially more traffic and customers than even this. And what would that do for you and your business? So on that note, I will leave you. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my phone number and my email. Feel free to contact me at any time. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have, go over your vision for the future for your business, and I will be in touch with you as well. Thank you. Have a good night.